My name is Mohammad Naushad Emmambux from the Department of Consumer and Food Sciences, University of Pretoria. I'm also involved at the DSI-NRF Centre of Excellence in Food Security, where I'm a private principal investigator in one of the research projects. As a food scientist, we have a project that is looking at smart food for the food insecure. So smart food in the sense that we have it as an acronym to manufacture S for safe, M for marketable, A for affordable, R for ready to eat, and T for tasty food. And we are manufacturing all these food mostly from indigenous and locally available South African crops and animals mostly. When we talk about malnutrition, there is two angles to it. It's really about malnutrition in infant and toddlers as well as malnutrition in adult. When we look at malnutrition in infant and toddlers, it's really in the sense that when mothers, especially in rural areas where they don't have access to commercially available baby food, they tend to use their cereal grain to make porridges to feed the child. We are looking at making porridges that is high in nutrient density. For example, we are looking at technologies like extrusion. We are looking at technologies like microwave and infrared, where we can modify the grain so that when it's processed into a porridge, the viscosity is lower so that the mothers can add more solid to make a more nutrient dense food. Obesity and type 2 diabetes in terms of the adult population in South Africa, this is really related to an overconsumption of energy dense food in terms of the lifestyle that we are having. This lifestyle has really resulted in diet-related non-communicable diseases like I mentioned before, obesity and type 2 diabetes.
What makes children malnourished while parents are obese should basically be about the diet at home.
Malnutrition is when a person or a child gets to be given food that does not feed the growth of the child.
And in terms of nutrient dense food now, we are manufacturing quite a lot of product which is made from indigenous and locally grown grain. We are also making lots of snack, more like a nutrient dense snacks compared to more energy dense snack. For example, we make snack with bambara groundnut together with sorghum. And our research also, we are looking at processing technologies that we can use that is more for small and medium enterprises. We are looking at redesigning solar dehydrators where people in rural areas can extend the shelf life of their fruits that they produce in their local farms. The product that we are making, it should be accessible to small and medium enterprises to take it over so that they can manufacture it, and it should be available to the public. We have made, for example, biscuit where we have a protein source and from pulse, for example, bambara groundnut. We've done extruded sorghum, cowpea, sorghum, bambara groundnut to make snack where we can make these nutrient dense food so that it can be having a snack, so that the snack is not an energy dense, it's also nutrient dense with their protein and with their health benefit from the phenolics and the dietary fiber.